Danger, beware, toxic. All probably words you think of when you hear radioactive material. But today, I'm going to be using words like helpful and life-changing. I'm Haley Hutchins, and today we're going to dive into the topic of radioactive iodine therapy. Radioactive iodine therapy is a form of nuclear medicine that is used to treat an autoimmune disease called hyperthyroidism. It uses a form of iodine called iodine 131. This treatment was widely accepted in 1964 as an effective cure for this disease. Now, before we understand how it works, we must understand what it is. It's an autoimmune disease that attacks your thyroid. This gland is responsible for all your chemical balances in your body. This means it affects everything from your breathing to your heartbeat to your metabolism and your hormone levels. So it's incredibly important that this gland and process is working correctly. People with this disease have an overactive thyroid, and that affects three chemicals in your body: the TS3, TS4, and TSH. Now, the TSH tells your thyroid to produce hormones like TS3 and TS4 and sends them throughout the body. The TS3 and TS4 tell your thyroid how much energy the cells need and produces chemicals affecting your metabolism. Now, earlier I said it was an autoimmune disease. This means that your body's antibodies are attacking the gland, in this case the thyroid. The antibodies are blocking the receptors of the thyroid, giving off the impression that the TSH is being released. So, more TS3 and TS4 are being produced. However, that is not the case. People with this disease have a very low TSH level and very high TS3 and TS4 levels because of the mimicking that antibodies are doing.
Thanks, Haley. I'm going to show you a demonstration on how radioactive iodine therapy works. In this demonstration, the bottle represents your body, the water inside represents your thyroid, and this lemonade powder represents the iodine. So, the doctor will bring you some radioactive iodine in the form of a pill, and you consume it. You swallow it just like you would any other pill. Now, you have to wait for a little while and be quarantined, but as you can see in this demonstration, your body or the bottle is completely fine. However, the iodine changed your thyroid, and that's exactly what happens. The iodine is just absorbed into the thyroid. It doesn't affect anything else, only your thyroid.
Now, radioactive iodine therapy was one of the first medical treatments that launched the nuclear medicine field. It innovated, it expanded, and improved. And as STEM students, we must remember this because these three things are crucial to any STEM developments. This is incredibly important to me because I had radioactive iodine therapy. It not only changed my life, but many others. Here are my sources. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to me. And I hope you have a wonderful day and learn something about radioactive iodine therapy.